Before I start my TED Talk, I will introduce myself first. So, I am Shalina Flor, your TED Talker for today. Every existence in the world already know what is carbon dioxide. So what is carbon dioxide consist? Carbon dioxide consists of a carbon atom covalently double bonded of two oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide is essential to our life for the survival of consist living organisms and cycles in the ecosystem through respiration, aerobic and anaerobic photosynthesis and combustion. It occurs naturally in Earth's atmosphere as a trace gas. So, my topic is all about carbon dioxide theory. Although the carbon dioxide theory of climate change was one of the most widely held 50 years ago in recent years, it has had relatively few adherents. Carbon dioxide theory states here that as the amount of carbon dioxide increases, the atmosphere becomes over a larger frequency interval. The outgoing radiation is trapped, make effectively near the Earth's surface, and temperature rises. The latest calculations show that if the carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere should double, the surface temperature would fall 3.8 degrees. And the first to propose the carbon dioxide theory was Tyndall in 1861. The first extensive calculations were necessarily done by a very approximate methods. There are thousands of spectral lines due to carbon dioxide which are responsible for the absorption, and each of these lines occurs in a complicated pattern with variations in intensity and width of spectral lines. Only recently has a reasonable accurate solution to the problem of the influence of carbon dioxide on surface temperature. Again, the carbon dioxide theory seems to be the only theory that suggests a reason for time tag between these two events. Also, according to the carbon dioxide theory, such changes in climate should occur at the same time in both temperature. Carbon dioxide theory has given plausible explanations for the beginning of a glacial period and of the climate oscillations that occur during a glacial period. On the other hand, the carbon dioxide theory is the only one that predicts a continually rising average temperature for the remainder of the century because of the accumulation carbon dioxide in the atmosphere as a result of industrial activity.